Spontaneous Sportsman. I'm here to talk to you guys today about another food product I found at Walmart. Actually, two food products, but the same kind of brand. The first one is going to be this Gherkins snack. So it's a pickle snack. It says it's vegan, gluten-free, nothing artificial, and it has a mini gherkin marinated in Gaia extra virgin olive oil and vinegar, a half serving of veggies, and it's liquid free, 2.8 ounces. So this package cost me $2.47 at Walmart, and it was in the salad dressing aisle. This other package also cost $2.47, and this one is cauliflower snack, and 2.8 ounces as well. Low calorie food, vegan, gluten-free, nothing artificial. Well, I'm the farthest thing you'll ever find to a vegan, but I can still enjoy vegan food. This one here, the cauliflower one, low calorie food, real cauliflower marinated in Gaia extra virgin olive oil and lemon. A half a serving of veggies, liquid free. So these worked out to about 88 cents an ounce, which is a little bit pricey, but these are also from Greece. They're a product of Greece. So we're gonna see. So the nutrition facts on the cauliflower are 10 calories, 0 fat, 350 milligrams of sodium, 2 grams of carbohydrates, 1 gram of fiber, so a total of 1 gram of carbs, and protein less than 1 gram. There's a customer service hotline in the USA. These are lightly picked cauliflower crowns marinated in Gaia extra virgin olive oil and lemon. On the go TSA approved snack, brought to you from the makers of the olive snack. So ingredients: cauliflower, sea salt, extra virgin olive oil, natural lemon, and essential oil. These have been in the refrigerator. The pickle one is 5 calories, 340 milligrams of sodium, 1 gram of carbs, 1 gram of fiber, and 0 grams of protein. So on both these, there are 3 servings per container, so you have to multiply those amounts by 3. Okay? We're going to try both these now, so let me open the cauliflower one first and see how that one tastes. So in kind of directions here. So it says to pull this flap upward, and that opened it there. Interesting smell for the cauliflower there. So that's how much 2.8 ounces looks like. That's completely empty. Smells pretty good. It kind of smells lemony. I can really taste the olive oil. It's got a bit of sodium, but not overpowering. It's not bad. It's really overpowering on the lemon. Not so much that it's really sour, but that's the strongest taste I can taste here besides cauliflower. But it'd be a good snack. That's enough for like just one person once you open that up. This one here looks a little brown. I don't think I'm going to eat that one. Looks a little brown. I probably wouldn't refrigerate this. It has I guess it doesn't now. I thought it had a seal, but no, there's no seal. Once it's open, it's open. But I don't think that's 3 servings. I think that's 1 serving for a regular sized human being. Okay, let's do the pickle one. That was the cauliflower. So what I'm doing is there's a flap here in the back. It says to peel that upward. And then what happens is you kind of peel it over. Peel it over the top. Lightly pickled mini gherkins marinated in extra virgin olive oil and vinegar. A better for you on the go TSA approved snack. Ingredients: gherkins, sea salt, vinegar, extra virgin olive oil, garlic granules, and coriander. Handle with care. Even an invisible hole on the pack may result in product degradation. So if it gets even a tiny pinprick, the air will go out and it's probably not going to be very fresh. Oh, these are cool. They're little mini pickles. So let me count how many are in here in 2.8 ounces of the minis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, that's really half, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. That one's a little bit yellow. I don't think I'm going to eat that. So 43 mini pickles. That's quite a few mini pickles. Slightly sour, but it tastes like a regular dill pickle except smaller. And pretty, not real crispy, but pretty crispy. It's definitely not soggy. You can hear that crunch. Got a pretty good taste to them. Got a little stem on the back, which I'm eating. I like that though. I like the pickles more than the cauliflower. A little bit more flavor in these pickles. This would be a good snack for like a movie. Alright, comment if you want to see more of these videos. Please hit the subscribe button, and I'll post a couple pictures I took at Walmart where you can find these. Thanks guys. Till next time.